Hello and welcome to AutoCAD 101. For this video I'll be talking about the arc command. So if you don't have a drawing open, go ahead and open one. And with the arc command, like the circle command, it has a drop down and several different options on how to create one. The default, if we type in A, which is the shortcut for arc, is specify the start point first. Let's try 0, 0. And then that gives you the option to pick a second point and then an end point, which if we look, that is the default setting of 3-point on our selection tool, or on our arc selection. And that's the top one here. Now, for any of these that have a pull down, if you select one, and then even if you escape the command and don't draw one, you'll notice that that default button changes to that option. So whichever option you've chosen last will be what appears on this button. So for arc, you could pick start, end, angle, and even if you don't make the arc, just hit escape. The next time you go into the arc command, it'll be that option. End, and then center. So let's say we have a bucket. Let's make a bucket. Starting from 0, 0. Doesn't matter what size. But I want it to be the same height. Most commonly, the arc command that I use is the start, center, end. Typically because I know where I want to start, and I know roughly where the center is going to be. And then the end. Hold Control. Holding Control switches which direction that arc is going. Let's make it a bowl. A bowl in a bucket. You can play with any of these options. Really, they're about the same. It's just a difference in which points you pick first. That's it for the arc command. Thanks for watching, and good luck.